Hey, get ready for winter with KSTN.studio. Download the free pattern and sew your own cozy gloves. This winter, you won't feel the cold. The download link is in the description. Let's get started. The gloves come in sizes S, M, L, and XL. Size S and M are standard women's sizing, while L and XL are more suitable for men. In this tutorial, I'm sewing a women's size S, but for myself, I chose size XL. For the outer layer, I used boucle knit and fused it with a stabilizing interfacing. For the lining, I chose quilted fabric to add extra warmth. With this combination, your hands will stay cozy even on the coldest winter days. Snip the fabric up to the stitch line, but be careful not to cut through the thread. Repeat the same step on the outer glove piece. This small cut will release the seam allowance, so the thumb can move freely and the gloves will feel comfortable to wear. If you'd like to hang your gloves, install a small loop with a snap hook. This way, you can attach your gloves to your bag or anywhere else you need. As you can see, sewing size S wasn't the best idea for me. I can fit my hand in, but it's definitely not comfortable. My fingers don't have enough space, and the glove feels very tight. So if you're making a pair for your man, choose size L or XL instead. I squeezed my hand inside, only to show you how to attach the lining to the outer glove. Placing the lining inside the glove makes it easier to visualize how the seams should be joined. First, I secure the lining seam to the glove seam to make sure everything stays in the right place. Then I insert the outer glove into the lining piece and sew all the way around to close the glove. Next, turn everything right side out through the opening left in the lining finger. Trim the seam allowance on the lining thumb so everything lays flat and sits nicely in place. This step is optional, but I highly recommend doing it. Secure, bar tack, the lining seam to the outer glove seam. This will prevent the lining from pulling out when you take your hand out of the glove. Close the opening in the lining finger with a 1mm stitch. Shape the glove, and you're done. Your warm winter gloves are ready. Now sew one of the bags from the KSTN Winter Edition collection and create a unique set everyone will ask about. I also recommend adding a stitching line along the seam to keep the facing from flipping out. Sew in the stitch shadow so it stays invisible. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media to stay up to date with my sewing projects. And check out my Etsy shop, where you'll find unique sewing patterns. See you next time.